That's Y8, Y10, Y12, Y14 cadets, juniors, senior, veterans,
For
and
all,
team.
all people of the world?
Yes,
I
because
will come.
you will come.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I have, well, the legendary people like you. I have giving the medals to the kids and explain to them, inspire them. But defense, yeah. And I have celebrities coming in. Sylvester.
Okay.
Arnold. Anyways, and Arnold Fencing Classic 2011 is mainly will be held for children.
Okay.
I'm a foil fencer,
Yeah.
but I'm thinking about starting saber. It's a dream of my life. I never had it because it was
Yeah,
not
it's really
available.
easy. It's not complicated.
So, what would you advise me to do to win?
You have to put all your energy to find good trainer and train every day with strength and with one goal. You want to win, you can do, but you have to train really hard.
What's your definition of the training hard? What exactly involved in it?
You every day have to put all your emotion, all your thinking in fencing. You have to fence and train, and after you will see that you will win for sure.
Well, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to see you in Columbus, Ohio.
Okay, ciao.